Hey guys, it's me Risa. How you doing? Welcome to my kitchen again. I'm so happy that you're here to visit me. Right now it's the pandemic time where lots of us are home and working from home. So I decided that I can do lots more videos for you guys. And one of the things is, when you look through your fridge and you see fruit that's going bad, don't throw it out. Because today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious, easy, versatile sauce, a blackberry sauce. And you can improvise and use other fruit. So you have old strawberries, you have old blueberries, you have raspberries, apples, peaches, okay, pears, and you can use this recipe for any kind of fruit. Before I start, just a reminder, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I love your comments. Tell me what you think. Would you do anything differently? Would you keep it the same? And when you post on my group, my Facebook group, I love that too, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. So if you're not a member, for more information, tips, strategies, motivation, please join and add other people. And of course, your questions. Okay, so I was going through my fridge, like I told you, and I had all these blackberries, and they're getting a little kind of mushy, you can see. And I thought, well, a lot of times, my husband or my daughter throws things out, and I said, don't throw it out. So you're just going to take a medium pot and add your blackberries or whatever you have. And I'm just going to turn it on to a medium heat. And I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of water, okay? And that'll be plenty. So depending on how much fruit you have, so if it's 2 cups, I would put in about a 1/4 cup. If you have 4 cups, I'd put in maybe a 1/2 cup. Use a little bit of water first because you don't want it too watery, right? So just add a little bit at a time, and you can see as the fruit breaks down, it becomes watery, okay? The other thing I like to add is some lemon juice, and I'm going to put in about a tablespoon or so. And if you don't like lemon, you don't have to, but a little lemon is really nice. I'm going to put in a little bit of salt just to bring out the flavor, just a pinch. And what I also love is a little bit of cinnamon, and I'm going to sprinkle in maybe a 1/4 teaspoon, maybe less, maybe an 1/8 teaspoon, okay? And I'm just going to mix that around. So I just have it in my pot, and I'm just mixing this around, okay? And I'm going to add some sugar. So you can use any kind of sugar. You could add syrup, agave, and this is a fruit monk sugar, and it resembles real sugar. I like it, and I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons, and that should be enough. And the thing is that when you're making stuff, you taste it, right? So, you may find that you want to just use a little bit less. You want to use a tablespoon first. And now you're wondering, how is it going to get thick? So I bought this. It's a pure natural thickener, and it's called xanthum gum, okay? And you can find this at any health food store. And you can find it online. Everything's online. People that shop at the low-carb grocery store here in Canada, you can get it online. And it's just a natural thickener. Now, don't worry if you don't have this and you don't want to buy it. I mean, it lasts forever because you're only going to use not even a 1/4 teaspoon. The other thing is you can use cornstarch, right? So I would use maybe a teaspoon or so in some water. Let your blackberries, I'm getting confused, my blackberries, come to a boil, and then just add it if you're using cornstarch. But if you're using the xanthum gum, I'm going to use maybe an 1/8 teaspoon. because it really thickens. You'll see if you buy this, it's fantastic. And you can use it in so many of your sauces. So we're just gonna let this cook up. I'm just gonna show you that it's still watery right now, but it's gonna thicken. The blackberries will break down a bit and you just let it sit. I'm just gonna show you that I did this with strawberries, and you'll see the consistency with any fruit, it'll come out nice and thick. So we're gonna let this thicken, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like after. All right, so stay tuned. Hey guys, it's me. I'm back with the blackberry sauce. It is super, super duper thick. Just the consistency that I love. The thing is that once you put it, it's still hot. You can see that there's still steam. So once it's in the fridge, it's completely cool. Then put it in the fridge and it will thicken even more, just like the strawberry sauce that I made. If you find that it isn't as thick as you want, you know you can add more xanthum gum or cornstarch to make it thicker, but you'll see that once it's cool, it really gets nice and thick, and it is super easy and delicious, of course. I just made my chocolate peanut butter pancakes, my Risa's pancakes, Risa's peanut butter, and I thought, oh my God, this sauce is going to be great over pancakes, over waffles, over yogurt, over frozen yogurt, over regular whatever kind of yogurt, or even in your overnight oats recipe would be fantastic. All right, versatile, delicious, easy. All right, so please stay tuned for this pancake recipe, and I hope you love that recipe and tell me what you think. All right, make sure you comment below if you would add anything or change anything or keep it the same. All right, take care. Bye for now.